Okay, what was the name of it?
So if you need to evaluate your credentials, so you need to go to CGNFS International. You need to create your account, log in there. You need to pay a certain fee. So then you need to evaluate your educational background, your diploma, your TOR. And after that, they need also your English exam.
English exam, yeah.
Yes.
So, first of all, English is your second language,
Yeah,
right?
this is our second
In
language.
Philippines, everyone speak English, right?
Yeah.
Inglizcha bularda ikkinchi, bizga rus tili qanday bo'lsa, bularga ingliz tili xuddi shunaqa.
So those two first, you need to evaluate, and then once it's evaluated, you need to also do your what you call this, your licensing.
Licensing.
Yes. So you
So-
need to take NCLEX exam.
So, TOEFL? Did you took TOEFL?
No,
or-
we didn't took TOEFL. We just only took NCLEX and the English exam.
Which exam?
We
Is that TOEFL?
the IELTS,
IELTS?
the
And
International English Language
What
Test.
was your number, like score?
No, actually, there's two options. You can do the IELTS and the PTE, or the Person View English Test. So
But
I
you,
took the PTE. So it's like same as the NCLEX, but it's much easier.
So when we come back to IELTS, right?
IELTS, yeah.
IELTS. So how high it should be?
Should
usually?
be, you need to have a total band of 7.
7 at least.
And at least 7, but you should also your minimum band in speaking is 7,
7.
and some of the subspec should be not less than 5 or 6 or 5.
I see.
You should have total of 7. Speaking should be 7, and the other aspect like reading, listening, and writing should not be below 6.
I see. And then you came with family, right?
Yeah, I came with my family.
So you have 2 kids or
I have 2 kids.
2 kids?
Yep.
And so after you pass everything, then you send the papers to embassy, or the company took care of
Yeah,
it?
the company will take care of that, because you need at least, I mentioned, you need a lawyer to process that,
I see.
because they're the one who will deal with your documents, that it's legal and it's evaluated. And then after that, they will send it one to the USCIS, where the visa will be processed. So those papers, the USCIS Visa Center will send you an email. And also, if you want to bring your family with you, also those agent or lawyer will also process this one.
Okay.
You can do it by yourself, but you need to hire your own lawyer.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so it will take a lot of.
So that the company is not.
The
deal
company
with
is
it.
the one who, like finance everything.
Oh,
So we're just only sending them all the papers that they
I
need.
see.
But if you will do it yourself, you need a lot of money. If you
Ah,
have if you have a ways to pay it by your own, you can do it.
I see. So basically, the company invest in you,
Yeah, it's like that. The
and then
company
you
will
pay back
pay back by working
by
by
working.
working with them for a couple of years.
Couple.
Just to return back those kind of.
So what is your contract? How long?
My contract is like 3 years,
3 years.
but you can finish your contract like earlier, in case you're doing like a lot of overtime or something.
Okay. So you can finish in 2 years.
Like 2 years, 2.5 years.
And then after 2 years, you totally on your own.
Your own now, so it's up to you if you want
Stay in
to stay
US.
on the same hospital you at, or you want to transfer. It's your own expenses now. If you want to transfer to other state.
Does your wife works? Is she?
No. She's
Can she work?
She can work,
She
Yes,
legally she
legally.
can work.
because our visa is EB3 visa.
Maybe.
It's like a permanent resident visa.
It's not green card.
It's a green card.
Green card.
Permanent green card visa.
I see.
So all of us can
For
work
9
here,
years, right?
like 5
Sorry,
years.
I interrupt you.
5 years,
Okay.
and then
5
it's renewable, and it's up to you if you want to apply for citizenship after 5 years.
Oh, I see. After 5 years, you can apply for the. So, come if one more question about your family. So, have you heard any, uh, rumors or experience that they refuse your like
There's
someone's family?
there's an instances like if your kids
Mhm.
is more than 21, they will reject that one.
Okay, but can they reject your wife?
No, they
Have you
cannot.
heard that experience? No.
They cannot reject your wife
Mhm.
because you're the principal. Like your partner
Mhm.
is your dependent, so you're the principal applicant.
Ah,
So the only thing that they can refuse is
if your
you,
child 20.
and if your child is more than 20.
Okay, 20. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Makes
Mhm.
sense. So, if for the Uzbek people who are interested to come and work like you do, what would you recommend? What would be your advice, and what you could do differently?
My recommendation, if you really want to like work or
Mhm.
live here in the US, first thing is you do a lot of research first,
Research.
because um US is like they have like a lot of state.
Mhm.
So it's up to you, where do you want to go, like where state do you want to go. You do a lot of research.
Okay, but why you pick up Michigan then?
No, because in the agency
Mhm.
you will pick up your own state,
Mhm.
and if that state doesn't have offer, like the hospital doesn't need some nurses, they will like reach for other places
Mhm.
that has this
Needs.
opening or
Mhm.
needs for nurses. And it's up to you if you're gonna accept that offer, because the first state that I highly choose was like Florida or
Uh-huh.
Texas.
I'm
But
glad you didn't.
yeah, and then what you call this, and then they offer me Alabama as well.
Uh-huh.
But when I check, that's why you need to search.
I see. Makes sense.
So you need to search. They offer me the Alabama state,
Mhm.
and then I gather some information about Alabama, search whatever, if the workplace is good or the community.
Mhm.
So you search, and if you don't like, you can don't you can't what you call this, you will not accept that one if you done some
Okay.
research that the place is not good or whatever.
Mhm.
And then the next thing they offer is this Michigan.
Mhm.
So I check Google the place and everything, and it seems it's nice and
Mhm.
safe, and it's like a very diverse state. And the humors of racism,
Mhm.
it's very low here.
No, you're in the right place.
Yeah,
Trust
very
me,
low.
there
Not
is.
like in Alabama. I
Yeah.
searched that they're
Right.
very racist. So,
You're right. You're right.
so
There is some.
because
I
I'm an
see.
immigrant, so
Me too.
yeah, I'm immigrant. So the first thing I will check
You
is
wanna be
how
comfortable.
how people in that state interact with
I
immigrant.
agree. I agree.
See, if you go to a state that is not open for immigrant, and there's a humor or there's a
Right.
lot of incidents of racism, it's dangerous for you as an immigrant.
You're right. You're
So
right.
it's much
you're right.
better to
So you happy that you picked this
yeah,
place? Are you happy that
yeah,
you
we're
working?
happy here because the people here are nice, and also
Mhm.
we love Four Seasons as well. You experience Four Seasons
I
in
see.
Michigan.
I
Like
see.
you experience winter, summer, fall, and
Yeah.
and there's a lot of place to explore in Michigan. So
Okay.
So
So you
that's-
have time to explore too.
yeah,
Not just to work.
not just the work. There's a
Okay.
work balance here.
Balance.
But
That's
it's
good.
up to you if you don't want to have a balance. It's
Okay.
still your
If you're working hard,
Mhm.
then you can just keep working.
not working hard. If you love money, you work. But if you love happiness and
Uh-huh.
money the same time, you balance your work, because like we're only working like three days, 3 nights in a week. So
Yeah.
if you have 4 days for your leisure,
Right.
your happiness,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
you balance. If you want only 2 days off, 3 days off, it's up to you.
Yeah. You're absolutely right.
Mm-hmm.
You're very smart man. So, you know, we have two main questions always people ask on
On
our
the
channel.
Mhm.
So the first one is how much you make.
So how much I make? So because I'm under a agency,
Mhm.
they usually give us like the entry pays rate. So
Mhm.
that will be around. If still depends on the state.
Right.
So they will give us around roughly around 34 to 35 an hour.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
that's not
uh-huh.
bad.
And it's not include your night shift differential and your
Mhm.
weekend differential and
Which is
also
extra.
and your and also they give us like overtime and holiday pay as well.
Okay. How about health insurance?
It's also part of our company. They give us like for me as a family,
Mhm.
because I need to register my family with the company
Mhm.
for the health insurance. So I'll pay for the health insurance for my family as well.
Mhm.
So,
Mhm.
but it's like cheap only for a family of four.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. And the second question, we always get that question, do I have to speak English?
Here,
Yeah.
for me,
They
uh,
ask us,
mhm.
like, do I really, they want to come, then they ask, do I need to speak English?
Actually, it doesn't matter if you speak fluent in English, but when you arrive here,
Mhm.
if you're not speaking that fluent, they can, they can adjust on
Mhm.
how you talk with them, because most of the Michiganders are like very open-minded.
Mhm.
Even you're not fluent in English, they try their best to understand
Yeah.
you.
They know you have to explain what
Yeah,
you want.
you
Like,
just explain even your you have
Yeah.
like a wrong grammar, or even you don't have annotation or something, they can get your point because they know that
But
you,
right.
Mhm.
But even when you came, I saw like, you know, maybe some pronunciations, the word or meaning of the things is different in your
Different,
country.
yeah. Mhm.
But I noticed you like since I know you, you already adapt to the Michigan
Yeah.
like
Mhm.
language,
Mhm.
you know,
You know,
slang.
yeah.
So what do you think? How long it takes to adapt?
Because for me, for us Filipino, it's our second
Yeah.
language, so I think like 3 months.
3 months.
3
You
months
already was.
adapt
I
on
got it.
how to talk with
Yeah.
people here, and most of them here are very nice. So
Really, I
if
agree. I
if you
agree,
will
especially
be
in
if you
Sparrow.
want in transfer or work here in Michigan, I recommend this place.
All right. I just want to say thank you, my friend. I probably will interview again. I just see if the people interested. I know it's time to close that
Mhm.
day and go and rest. Are you back tonight?
No,
All right, man.
I
Thank you.
3 days work on.
3 kun ishlayman xolos deydi, 4 kun dam oladi.
Need to spend some time
O'shanga
with
qorin
family.
katta. All right, thank you, brother.
Mhm.
Shunaqa gaplar biz ajoyib bo'ladi. Juda yaxshi chiqishamiz. Ko'ngli ochiq inson. Hech hali xafa bo'lganini yo bir achchig'i chiqqanini ko'rmayman. Doim hali qiyin paytlarda ham juda o'zini yaxshi bosiq tutadigan inson. Endi hozir soat 7 ga boryapti. O'shanga uzr. Intervyuni to'xtatdim chunki soat 7 da ertalabki ishchilar keladi. Ungacha hamma yo'l tayyorlab, bekitib, nima deydi, hamma narsani bekitib ularga tayyor qilishimiz kerak. Shunaqa gaplar. Agar yoqqan bo'lsa aytinglar, kommentlaringga yana shu ishxonada nima deydi, sizlarga qiziqqan narsa, hali apparatlarmi, kateterlarmi, shunaqa narsalarni ham izohlab ko'rsatishim mumkin. Rahmat.